Hello NSA student, this is Mr. Hinton with the Math Department with another frequently asked question from week 28. It says find the area of a regular polygon given the radius. Give your answer to the nearest tenth. So we're given a radius, a pentagon, and please forgive me for my crude drawing here, a pentagon with a radius of 8 centimeters. Now just like the triangle problem that we looked at in this same section, the radii of a regular pentagon will divide it into 5 equal triangles, and they happen to be all isosceles. Okay, so we know that the length of every side of these triangles is 8, because the radius is equal all the way around if the polygon is regular. Alright, so we can use the side angle side area formula for triangles to find one of these areas, the area of one of these triangles, and then from there we can multiply that by 5 and get the area of the whole one. So let's find the area of this triangle right here, and then keeping in mind that we got to multiply whatever we get by 5 to get the final answer. Now all we need to use the side angle side area formula here is this central angle, which all the way around this thing, if we went all the way around this, that's 360 degrees. So we would need to divide 360 between the 5 angles. If this were a hexagon, we would divide it by 6. If it was a 7-sided polygon, we would divide it by 7, and so on. So we divide by 5 here, and we get an angle of 72 degrees. Okay, so once we know that angle, then we can find the area of that triangle using the side angle side area formula. The area is equal to 1/2 AB times the sine of C, where A and B are the sides and C is the angle in between the two sides. So sine of 72 degrees. And then once you have that, we can punch that into our calculator, making sure our calculator is in degree mode, and we get approximately 30.4 centimeters squared. Now beware, this answer is given to us, but we have only found the area of this one little triangle right here that we have highlighted. This is the triangle that we found the area of. So we need to multiply this times 5, and when you multiply that times 5, we get a total area of 152.2 centimeters squared. And that's how that problem works using the side angle side area formula. Again, if we were doing an octagon, our central angle would be 360 divided by 8. So whatever the number of sides is what you divide by to get the value of that central angle, so you can use the side angle side area formula to find one of the triangles. And I find that this method is much easier than using trigonometry to find the value of the apothem and the value of the perimeter. And you can always use this method to find the area of a regular polygon if you are given the radius. So that's it. Thanks, and have a great day.